Good evening and welcome. A major international debate is unfolding as United States Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has sharply criticized the German government, accusing it of attacking patient autonomy and persecuting doctors. This comes after Kennedy Jr. sent a letter to German Health Minister Nina Warken, expressing grave concerns over legal proceedings tied to the corona pandemic. In a post on the platform X this past Saturday, Kennedy Jr. announced he had dispatched a letter to Minister Warken, though notably he misspelled her surname as Warken. He claimed to have learned that more than 1,000 German doctors and thousands of their patients are currently facing criminal prosecution and punishment. Their alleged offense: granting exemptions from mask wearing and COVID-19 vaccinations during the pandemic. Kennedy Jr. asserted in an accompanying video that reports from Germany show the government shoving aside patient autonomy and restricting people's ability to act on their own convictions in medical decisions. He condemned such actions, stating that when a government criminalizes doctors for advising their patients, it crosses a line that free societies have always considered sacrosanct. Kennedy Jr. further accused the German government of violating the sacred relationship between doctor and patient, warning that in such a system, medical professionals would be reduced to mere enforcers of state policy. In Germany, numerous cases have indeed gone to court across various federal states. These proceedings have involved allegations such as the falsification of vaccination certificates or the issuance of false medical attestations for mask exemptions. However, Kennedy Jr.'s post did not specify the exact reports he relied upon for his accusations, nor did he provide a clear source for the significant numbers he cited regarding prosecuted doctors and patients. This lack of detailed sourcing has raised questions about the basis of his claims. It is important to note that Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is a particularly controversial figure within United States President Donald Trump's cabinet. The nephew of former United States President John F. Kennedy, he has in recent years frequently cast doubt on the efficacy and safety of vaccines and has disseminated various conspiracy theories, including those related to the corona pandemic. His past statements and associations have often placed him at odds with mainstream public health consensus. Kennedy Jr. concluded his criticism by urgently calling on the German government to change its course. He specifically demanded an end to the prosecutions, which he labeled as politically motivated, and insisted that any unjustly revoked medical licenses for doctors should be reinstated. He also urged that the German people be allowed to make their own informed medical decisions. Kennedy Jr. underscored Germany's long-standing reputation as a nation committed to democratic values and human rights. He warned that policies which suppress dissenting opinions, stifle free expression, and criminalize medical decisions ultimately undermine this cherished legacy. The allegations did not go unchallenged. Former German Health Minister Karl Lauterbach swiftly rejected Kennedy Jr.'s accusations. Taking to the platform X, the Social Democratic Party politician wrote, "Honorable Secretary Kennedy should focus on health problems in his own country. Short life expectancy, extreme costs, tens of thousands of drug deaths, and murder victims." Lauterbach then firmly clarified the German legal position, stating, "In Germany, doctors are not punished by the government for false attestations. Our courts are independent." This direct rebuttal from a prominent German political figure highlights the stark differences in perspective and the immediate defensive stance taken by Germany. The exchange between Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and German officials underscores a significant international disagreement regarding public health policies, medical autonomy, and the role of government during a pandemic. It reflects ongoing tensions between different approaches to health crises and civil liberties, leaving the world to watch how this diplomatic spat develops. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. This video was generated using artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.